Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Quick video just to let you know that we have our second maintenance update rolling out for the Edge web browser. And Edge was upgraded to version 1.14 on the 2nd of June. And if you head up to your menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge, this latest update now takes the browser version and build to version 114.0.1823.43. And once again, maintenance updates are point releases, and we've been bumped up from 0.41 to 0.43. And this update rolled out a couple of hours ago on the 8th of June, which was late yesterday in my region. Now, maintenance updates, as many of you may know by now, fix various bugs and performance issues. And this maintenance update, this bug fix update and performance fix update has rolled out for the stable version and also the extended stable release as well. And if you are not seeing this update, as always, updates do roll out progressively over one or more days, depending on your region. So if you're not seeing this latest update, I'm sure that you'll be getting it sooner than later. And this is a non-security update, so it's just fixing bugs and performance issues in the browser. And once again, like I always do, I have checked around quickly after installing the update. I'm not noticing any new changes or any new features that sometimes do get pushed into these little bug fix updates and these point release updates. But if I do notice any changes, I will obviously post and let you guys know. So bug and performance issue fix update rolling out now, which rolled out for Edge for desktop version 114 on the 8th of June 2023. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.